Good morning, boys and girls. For your float, what I would like you to do is to either use your whiteboard or a scrap piece of paper at your house. And I want you to think about something that you could make out of a balloon. You're going to need just one regular balloon that you can blow up with your air. It doesn't need to be filled up with helium or anything. And then use whatever materials that you have at home. Remember, I do want you to put some thought into this because this is what we're focusing on for today. And this is what we call a STEM activity. So it's thinking about what we want to do. We're making a plan. Then we're building, and then we're testing out our plan. So it's using all sorts of different areas of our brain to come together to make this one activity, which is super awesome. So I want you to draw what you want to make, gather up your materials, and then try to build your float, okay? I'm only requiring that you use one balloon, but if you have more than one balloon and you want to hook them together, absolutely fine. If you have straws at the bottom that you want to use as the strings, because remember in the story, when they first started the parade, they didn't have the strings on the bottom of the balloons, they had sticks. So to hold your float up, you can attach straws to your float. It could be an animal. It could be your favorite animal. It could be your favorite book character. It could be your favorite video game character. Whatever you want to make. There's all sorts of different kinds of floats in the Macy's Day Parade. And then once you have your float, you have all of the day to finish it, and then work on it. And then if you need to finish it tomorrow, that's okay too. But once you're done, I would like you to take a picture of your float, kind of like holding it in just a picture of your float, and post it on our Facebook. One, so that way we can see everyone's, but two, I'm going to try to save those pictures and make our own virtual class Thanksgiving Day float parade. So that'll be super fun. And I can't wait to see what fun things you guys create.